Hello traders, welcome to Trading Time. Today we are going to talk about why overconfidence is risky in Forex trading. So let's get started. Let's start this video with a real life example of my friend. His name is Raj. He always used to tell me that one of his friend Ajay has got a good sense of prediction in Forex and he is returning 30 to 50% monthly for long term. After hearing this, the first thing came to my mind is that it's next to impossible. But then I thought if Raj is saying this so confidently, there must be some strategy that Ajay is using. So along with Raj, we went to meet Ajay. We met Ajay and when I started talking about Forex with him, I discovered his confidence was on next level. Very confidently he said earning 30 to 50% profit is as simple as stealing a candy from a baby. He thought I was a newbie and just like Raj, I would also easily believe in him. But when I shared my knowledge and experiences with him, then slowly he came down to earth. And now the same guy who was talking about 30 to 50% profit was not even able to promise me to give 5% monthly. I suddenly realized that he must have attended some seminars or any online tutorials. And that's the reason he was so confident earlier. But when I started talking about technical terms, suddenly his confidence went off and our conversation ends here. But Raj was still obsessed with Ajay. He was thinking that if Ajay is promising 30 to 50% monthly, he can definitely give at least 10%. And as he was not going in loss, he was happy with 10% also. So Raj decided to give him 1 lakh Indian rupees from his saving. And you won't believe me, initially Ajay was making good profitable amount with that investment. Actually Raj was one of my close friends, so he was sharing the daily stats with me. And I was also a sort of impressed with his strategy. Ajay was unaware that Raj is sharing the stats with me. By looking at his trading skills in first week, I decided if he earns the same profit for next 10 months, I will also invest some amount. Initially first week he was earning 3 to 5% daily. As the days went off, he started falling to -1 to -5%. And within a month, the amount of money in his account went to zero. After seeing this, I decided to talk with Ajay and ask him that what actually happened. And when I asked him the reason, he was shocked by knowing the fact that I was also aware of everything. And he was speechless. Guys, Ajay was not having any plans or strategy. He was just believing in some random trading prediction of WhatsApp groups. And in the end, he lost all the money. If you are willing to earn money from Forex or any other trading market, you must have some strategy and you should always focus on the movement of the market. If you are a newbie and don't have any idea about how to make a strategy or how to use the indicator, well, you don't need to worry about that because we are going to make videos on these topics in details very soon, which will surely help you. Without confidence, you will not be able to trade whether you want to buy or sell the pairs. You definitely need confidence in yourself. But being overconfident about you have got enough knowledge about the market and you can earn an unrealistic amount for long term is dreadful. Okay, so that's all for today's video. From this channel, you will be getting such type of Forex related videos daily. And in fact, I'm planning to make videos on weekly Forex analysis, which will give you an idea of the movement of the market. If you like this video, please do not forget to leave a like, comment, and do subscribe to our channel.